Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me, and today I am telling you about my life story. My name is Shahid. I learning English. Today I want to tell you about my day at the market. This is simple story. You can read it and learn with me. It is summer day. I go to the market in the evening. The market is busy. There are many people. I see vegetables, fruits, flowers in the market. I want to buy some flowers. I walk to a flower stand. There is a lady at the stand. She is very nice. I say hello. How much are the flowers? She smiles and says $1 per flowers. I take 3 flowers. I give her $3. She give me the flowers and some change. I walk around the market. I see many people buying food and drinks. Some people are talking to each other. I listen and try to understand the words. I don't understand everything, but I try my best. I feel happy. I am learning English. It is good to practice every day. I want to visit the market again. This is my day at the market. I practice English speaking and I learn new words. I hope you enjoyed my story. You can learn English with me too. It is very best way how you can improve your English by practicing every day. Thank you so much for watching this video.